Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Duo Mobile on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your new iPhone and open the App Store, search for Duo Mobile, then download the app. Once the app installed, open Duo Mobile app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap on Continue, then tap Use a QR code. Next, grab another device, open the Duo Mobile app on your another device, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on Settings. Once you are on Settings, tap on Connect a new phone. A QR code will appear on the screen. Now go back to your iPhone, point your camera at the QR code and make sure it fits inside the square on its screen. Once the code is scanned, Duo will automatically connect your account to your new phone. This only takes a few seconds. After setup is complete, you will see your account listed in the Duo Mobile app. And that's it. You have successfully set up Duo Mobile on your new iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.